In this video, let's look at how to curve text or create an arc or arch with text. First, I'm going to create some text. And one method of curving or changing the text would be to go to Effect, Warp, Arc, and this will give you some warp options. You can change the bend. You can change the distortion from horizontal or vertical. So you've got several options here. Let's go ahead and cancel. Another way to arc the text would be if you go to your line tool, there's an arc tool, and you can draw an arc here. Let's rotate this, holding Shift. Now we can go, let me make that visible. Now we can hold down on the text tool and go to Type on a Path. I'm going to click in the center. And you can see that's flipped over wrong. Let's double click on the text tool and you'll get some type on a path options. You can preview to see what you're doing here. And you can align to the path in different ways. Maybe you want to center it. And there's some other effect options. So this is still off center. So what we're going to do is grab our selection tool, and if we zoom in, you can grab the center point and pull it until you've got it in the center. If you've also got your paragraph alignment to the center, that'll help if you need to change the text any size or tracking. So that's another method. You can also do that with a circle. So if I draw a circle and add the type on a path, I'm actually going to click on the bottom because it's going to be upside down. And again, you can double click back on the type tool to change your options. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.